Hello everyone. It's been a long time since my last repair of the Mini Cooper. There is a few reasons why I haven't touched this car for long. First, we have the Christmas holiday, which was brilliant, and probably most of you is gonna think I've been lazy, but I am not. Just I couldn't pass the one fault on the car without extra help, which is ABS pump. I'm just, I'm guess is a fail, but of course I'm gonna do like a proper check, and to diagnose this problem I need proper OBD scanner. It's like professional that gonna be able to let me into the system and actually dig a little bit more about that. I spoke with my mechanic. He told me he might not gonna be able to do with his scanner. The reason why is because it's quite old and doesn't have lots of options. And to do the coding, you need to have the professional OBD scanner, or like any Mini Cooper or BMW software that's gonna allow you to do it. So I was thinking if there's any point risk to put my car to the MOT, wait another few weeks for coding, or I was a little bit worried because my ABS pump is a second hand and it might be faulty as well. So I'm gonna lose lots of money for the travel, lots of money for checking. I can just guess, maybe just plug in and scanning the car is gonna be just £90 in Mini Cooper main dealer, plus coding, plus transfer. So I will end up with like bill around £300. If I'm lucky, it's gonna be fixed. If not, I'm gonna still be with the problem. So I was thinking for the long time to treat myself with some OBD scanner, and actually I make final decision, and finger crossed is I'm gonna be able to do the coding and fix the problem by myself. So yes, is what's happened now. I'm gonna open the bonnet. So I need to make a little bit of space. I need to remove the air intake pipe. That's gonna give me a little bit access and space for the ABS pump, which is over there. My second hand ABS pump is right here. Has been removed from another Mini Cooper, so finger crossed it's gonna work just spot on. But before that, I'm gonna do like a full scan of the car, check what's going on with my original ABS pump. Maybe need just bleeding or reset the problem or whatever. And then when everything will be ready, am I gonna be able to finally put on the wall my darts board and have a little play in the free time. So yes, so this is my little update. I'm not gonna moaning too much and actually start to first plug in my OBD scanner, do the full scan, then replace my ABS pump. With this scanner I'm gonna do able to do the bleeding as well, so that's gonna help me a lot. So the connection with the car was very successful. After passing the VIN number, the mileage is correct, spot on. Yes, right hand 2009. Yeah, everything as it should be. So yes, I'm gonna go through and scanning. Now I'm gonna do the proper scan. We'll see what's problem. Good, problem. Oh my goodness, just the problems. But probably there's as the old problems storage with the car. So I'm gonna see what's going on. I don't wanna just go through diagnostic plan. Road speed signal, throttle valve actuator, fucking hydraulic unit. Okay, it's quite a lot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just delete, clear. Okay, it takes a lot of time for the clean. And then I'm gonna check again. Smart. The AC will be definitely. Okay. So we got just the ABS pump. Hydraulic unit supply pump. Okay, so at least I know where we are with the car. My airbag light go off. Wee, happy day! So we have just one hydraulic supply pump. So after the scan is a hydraulic unit supply pump motor, wheel speed sensor, rear left, control unit internal fault, wheel speed sensor rear right. So the rear section, I think the rear, because I'm replace the subframe and disconnect them, so we will see what's gonna come up after clear. Hop. So what I have left, ABS pump is bloody faulty. So I got the option to check my pump motor. I'm gonna activate, and activation test fail. So definitely that need replacing. What I like in that scanner is actually I can go to the internet straight, and that's gonna explain me what actually happened. Hydraulic pump power supply. So I think there's a module or there is some connection. Despite the ABS unit testing fine, check the wiring and connectors for corrosion, damage affecting pump power. So yeah, basically the pump need to be replaced. ABS pump, and that pump is got, hang on, that's the module. On the back you have the one bolt, and on the bottom you got the second bolt and third bolt over there. So I will show later on anyway. So soon this bolt is gonna be removed. There is that metal pipes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 need to be removed to complete the mission. Okay, slowly I'm getting there. I have little bit trouble with this bolt. It was a little bit rusty, but it's like I can't complain because yeah, it's coming close. So probably like maybe half an hour of little bit play, I'm gonna be able finally remove that ABS pump completely out of the car. If I gonna have time, I'm gonna do some investigation, but probably does the electric module just give up, and finger crossed that my new pump is gonna work perfectly. Okay, after a little bit of play, finally my ABS is away. Okay, I can't see anything suspicious. I reckon that's just module just give up. Anyway, anything can happen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just make the picture of the all number from my new ABS pump, and I'm gonna do some coding, or maybe it's gonna be just case of bleeding a little bit. That's gonna be set up by itself, but I'm ready. So now this one is out, the new is gonna be in, and see what's happened. It's a very time consuming process because there is no much space to play around, but somehow I managed to put everything back together. And yes, after all, I'm gonna plug in my computer and see what other faults I have, and of course I'm gonna do the ABS bleeding system, and see what's happened. So the main reason why I'm doing this, because I don't wanna spend fortune for repair. Okay, after switching on the car, the first one I realized that my ABS lights just disappear. Okay, so I'm gonna do scan VIN. Okay, we got all the system, and then we will see if I gonna have the ABS fault. I think I have some kind of feeling, but we will see. I'm gonna push this button, and then moment of truth. Oh yeah. ABS 9. Mamma mia. Okay. Next, coding system list. ABS, bam. Do you recording now? Turn off the ignition. 15 seconds. Ignition on. Okay, after changing the pump, at least the activation, yes, is complete. So that means the pump it's work. I don't have any light, but we'll see what's happened. And all that faults what I have is just because the car need the calibration. This is the car need bleeding. My brake pedal is just go to the floor. So I think as soon bleeding is gonna be done, the rest of them is gonna be just wipe off. Okay, it says the brake light right faulty. We will see if that's true. So it's gonna be the day 2 on my Mini Cooper. All the ABS pump has been replaced. I play a little bit with the scanner, which I'm quite happy. So today it's gonna be the 2-man the bleeding procedure. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to unblock the whole system. I don't have any brakes at the moment. Oh.
Am I pumping it again?
You hold that? Yeah. 3 times.
So 1, 2, yeah, it's solid again. I'm
Hold that.
Solid, yeah.
Oh, yes, I hear. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go through the maintenance procedure for ABS bleeding.
Feels
Yeah.
like at the moment you've got perfect brakes on the car that are all nice and solid. Feels like after you do this, they're gonna be fucked. There's gonna be loads of air in the system, air in there, and the ABS pump just sucked air.
It will be like that, and that buckets will be full of
Yeah,
fluid.
like,
Yeah.
all the fluid's gone. You're like, what? We should have just left it.
I'm telling you what. Okay, let's do it. Continue. We will see what's happened. Come on. The rear right wheel started the next step.
Cool, it's starting.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you in 30 seconds it's gone, yeah. About 15 seconds.
Oh fuck.
7, 28, 29, 30. So you're supposed to leave it open for 60 seconds, right?
Yeah. I think that should be left.
Some of them don't see.
It's making noise. It's making noise. So the pump is work perfectly. I need to wait like 30 seconds. Processing. Yep. Okay. Close. Oh. Perfect. I have just little job before MOT. One of them is change the bulb in the Mini Cooper. I'm not really sure how to get in. I saw it's a little cover, but I'm not gonna be able to do much. Or under the chromes there should be few little screws. Hop. 1, 2, 3, bada bing, bada boom. Wait. Oops. Okay. Much easier. Okay, now I can see properly. On the left side is a little bit burn. I think that's why this one it doesn't work. So okay, so it's no just the bulb. It's actually this real lights panel is for some reason is just lose the connection. How I know? Because I'm move one to another side and this one work perfectly and this one doesn't for some reason. Okay, so that need to be investigated a little bit more. Moment of truth. I just got the new panel for my brake light. It's come from the scrapyard, local scrapyard. So yeah, we will see. I don't have too much hope for this one, but maybe there will be some magic and that's gonna work. We will see. Please, please, please. Yes, it's work. Finally. Oh, it's not working. Ah. Perfect, it's work. Car is on the multi station and now I have left just city bus. Oh. What a happy day, finally I can come back home with a full MOT. Yes, there was lots of work, but finally now I can come back home and just relax a little bit.